Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into some fundamental concept that every cybersecurity beginner needs to know. So basically today we are covering a web basics like HTTP versus HTTPS and proxies. Plus I'll show you how to configure Burp Suite proxy for your web testing. So let's start with some web basics. So when you visit any website, your browser and the web server communicate using a protocol known as HTTP or HTTPS. Basically, what is the HTTP and HTTPS? Here, as you can see, there is a two different scenario. One is for HTTP and second is for HTTPS. So HTTP is basically stand for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Is the foundation of any data exchange on the web. It's the protocol used to load web pages and manage communication between the browser and the server. However, HTTP is not secure, meaning that the data transmitted between your browser and your and the server can be intercepted by any attackers. So here you can say attacker can intercept your password, and an attacker can see your password in the plain text. On the other hand, the HTTPS is the secure version of HTTP. It uses SSL and TLS encryption to secure the data. So which is making it much harder for attacker to intercept and read the data being transmitted between your browser and the web server. So this is why you see that a lock icon in the URL whenever you visit any banking site or any site which use HTTPS. So there is one icon of a lock, a green lock icon. It means the website is currently using HTTPS protocol. Yeah, in simple term, I can say HTTPS is a critical for protecting the privacy and security of the data sent over the website. Now, let's jump into our second topic, which is a proxy server. So, a proxy is a mediate a server that sits between your computer and the internet. As you can see here, let's take example. This one is your computer, and this one is for example, this one is a server of a Google or anything or a YouTube. Okay, so the proxy, it's like whatever data or whatever request you send to the internet, it will go through the proxy server. So basically, why we use proxy, or like what are the benefits of the proxy server, or like what are the functions of the proxy in the cybersecurity. One is for the anonymity. Like for example, if you want to hide your original IP, then you can use a proxy server to hide your IP. For example, sometime you will see like in some Hollywood movies, they use a multiple proxy to hide their original location. So that can be one functionality of the proxy server. Other thing is proxy is also used for testing and monitoring the data. In the web VAPT, we generally use this tool called Burp Suite as a proxy server. So whatever data we are sending from our browser to server, it is going through the our Burp Suite proxy. So we can intercept the particular data, and we can send it to multiple, like for the multi-purpose thing. For example, we can send our request to the repeater to change or modify or delete or add something into the request, and then we send particular data to the server. So yeah, that one also one use case of the proxy. One of the like as I told, one of the most common use of the proxy in cybersecurity is during the web application security testing. So for that, in like generally we are using two tools. One is a Burp Suite and the other one is a Zap proxy. Let's go through the setup to configure our Burp Suite proxy. So generally, Burp Suite is an essential tool for anyone in the web security, allowing you to intercept, inspect, and manipulate the web traffic during the penetration testing process. Okay, so to install a Burp Suite, currently we are using Burp Suite Community, which is free to use for anyone. So just go to the Burp Suite download page and choose the version according to your OS. For example, if you are using Linux, then you can go with a Linux ARM, or if you are using Mac, then you'll go with the Mac. So generally, like if you are using a Windows, so we go with x64 version. Just click on download and download the setup. Once your setup is downloaded, just double click on it and install it as a any normal software. Okay, so once your setup is completed, just open the Burp Suite from the start menu and click on I accept. Now here just click on next, start Burp. Your setup is completed, so you can you can see the interface of the Burp Suite Community Edition. So first of all, you need to set up your proxy with your browser and install a certificate to intercept the HTTPS traffic. So for that, just go to the proxy setting, and make sure the interface is running with 127.0.0.1 and the port number whatever you want to add. Now just go to your Firefox or any browser you want and click on settings and search for proxy. Now click on manual proxy configuration and add your local IP and port number whatever you mention in your Burp Suite. So check the HTTPS. Also use this proxy for HTTPS and click on OK. Now search for any website, for example google.com. Here you can see this error that potentially security issue. So you can face this error because there is no certificate installed for the particular Burp Suite. So for that, just open a new tab and search this URL in your system Burp and click on enter. Now just click on share certificate to download the certificate and go to setting again and search for certificate. Click on use certificate and import your certificate. Make sure you check the both boxes here and click on OK. Now go back to the Google and refresh the site. Here you can see now you can able to search HTTPS traffic also, and if you are going to your Burp Suite, here you can see you can also able to intercept the traffic. Just click on intercept off. Now the intercept is on and refresh the site. Here you can see you are able to intercept the traffic with your proxy tool. So we can do like anything, like for example we can modify the HTTP version, or we can modify any cookie value, and we can also send this particular request to the repeater, and we can test for multiple vulnerabilities or multiple test cases. So in this video, we are cover the basics of HTTP, HTTPS, the role of the proxy in cybersecurity, and how to configure Burp Suite proxy. These are some foundational skills that every cybersecurity beginner should know. Yeah. So I hope this video you find this video useful for your cybersecurity journey. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.